Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review FreshBooks. Now, all of us know QuickBooks, but some may say that FreshBooks is the more user-friendly version of QuickBooks. And we have found that after many studies, FreshBooks surpass QuickBooks in both pricing and its appeal to the self-employed and small business markets. What makes it so attractive to freelancers? With FreshBooks, you can quickly accept online payments without the invoice itself, customize invoice styles, and schedule recurring invoice to build clients automatically. In other words, this intuitive app saves your small team time by making it easier to get paid. Now, what is FreshBooks exactly? FreshBooks is a cloud-based software designed with small businesses in mind. It utilizes double entry accounting to minimize errors and generate financial reports. FreshBooks is best suited for freelancers. FreshBooks strongly focuses on simplicity and ease of use. This is critical for freelancers who may not have much accounting experience, track time, and monitor expenses. Also, small businesses with 50 or fewer employees, FreshBooks helps small businesses meet short-term liabilities and maintain financial flexibility. When your small team is already strapped for time, they can rely on invoice automation, expense tracking, and speed your payment processes. It's also great for service-based businesses. FreshBooks is optimized for service providers with its time tracking and project management features. While it does have an items and service tabs, it's not quite as robust as Zoho Books. For example, FreshBooks requires you to make manual stock adjustments as new items arrive. The pros. Now let's take a look at some of the pros. FreshBooks features a user-friendly interface with an intuitive layout. Unlike QuickBooks, FreshBooks is easy to navigate even for non-accountants. FreshBooks provides hourly billing with a timer and direct invoice integration, and this ensures accurate billing for all work, contributing to a healthier cash flow. Wave, on the other hand, doesn't have a built-in time tracker. Clients can access a portal to view and pay invoices, check project statuses, and more. It also helps clients view and print invoices, estimates, and proposals without signing up for an account. This feature is unique to FreshBooks, but FreshBooks also has its downsides. Cons. FreshBooks has around 140 integrations, while QuickBooks offers over 750. QuickBooks has a larger market share and developer ecosystem. However, FreshBooks has a well-documented API that's integration-friendly dependent upon your plan. FreshBooks restricts the number of clients you can invoice, and only the premium plan allows clients. Compare this to Wave, which doesn't impose any client limits. It also has limited inventory functionality for businesses with substantial inventory needs. FreshBooks might not hit the mark. It lacks capabilities like purchase orders, inventory, forecasting, and recorder alerts. Meanwhile, QuickBooks Online offers purchase order functionality. However, you will need the Plus subscription plan. Pricing. Here is how FreshBooks is priced at the time of this recording. While recording this video, you can get a limited time offer which will save you 50% off for 6 months. So for the cheapest plan, which is the Lite plan, it will cost you $19, but if you pay for 6 months, you will only pay $9.50 per month. For the Plus plan, you will pay $33 without the offer, and with the offer, you will pay $16.5 per month. And finally, the premium one will cost you $60, but if you pay for 6 months, you'll pay for $30, which is actually a huge deal. And you have also the custom plan, which is called Select. And in order to customize it as you need, you should talk to a specialist. But you need to know that Select plan is designed for larger businesses processing more than $10,000 a month in payments. This plan removes the FreshBooks branding from your invoice emails. FreshBooks base pricing includes only one user with $11 monthly for each additional user. However, Premium includes 2 free team members' accounts. And you need to know that the Lite plan restricts invoices to up to 5 clients. Online payments. You can automate the billing process through recurring invoices and automatic payment reminders. You can also accept online payments through credit cards or bank transfers. FreshBook payments include transaction fees of 2.9% plus 30% for Visa Discover, and MasterCard bank transfers incur a 1% fee. You can also connect FreshBooks with Stripe and PayPal, each with their own transaction fee. The Select subscription plan offers lower transaction fees. Invoice customization. FreshBooks offers effective invoice customization. Users can select from three distinct template styles: simple, modern, and classic. You can choose preset theme colors or enter a hexadecimal code. However, font choices include just two styles: modern or classic. Where FreshBooks shines is in its streamlined invoice creation process. You can add line items, billable clients, and attachments just by clicking on the corresponding fields. Most importantly, you can edit your template and set a reoccurring schedule all on the same screen. Reporting. When it comes to reporting, FreshBooks offers essential financial reports like profit and loss, general ledger, and balance sheet. With over 20 reports to choose from, FreshBooks might offer fewer than zero account, but for most small businesses, this is more than enough. Finally, you can make basic adjustments to your report. You can change and compare dates and switch from accrual to cash-based accounting. And that's all for today's comparison. And in my opinion, FreshBooks can be beneficial and can replace many other softwares that provide the same feature. So please, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.